This Christmas holiday, we must protect our home from fire. We are here to share essential tips on how to prevent it.
Unplug electric wires or unused appliances before leaving the house. Before we left, we must make sure to unplug appliances like clothes irons to prevent fire. Do not leave the stove unattended while cooking as it might cause a fire. Learn to prioritize tasks. Do not leave the stove unattended. If you need to step away, assign someone to monitor it.
Inspect decoration and do not use exposed wire as they might cause a fire. There's a saying that prevention is better than cure. If you find exposed wires, dispose it or replace them immediately. Fire is a powerful and destructive force that can cause severe harm to people, property, and environment. It spreads rapidly, fueled by heat, oxygen, and combustible materials, leaving little time to react. Let's be careful and take preventive measures for our own safety this holiday season.
Nagkasunog sa Quiapo, Maynila ngayong gabi. Gawa raw sa light material ang nasunog na bahay.
Mahigit isang oras tumagal ang sunog bago tuloy ang inapula. Inaalam pa ang pinagmulan ng sunog.
Tinatayang 10 bahay ang nasunog sa Barangay 209, Zone 19, Tondo, Maynila. Pasado alas 12 ng tanghali kanina nang sumiklab ang apoy. Ayon sa Bureau of Fire Protection, umabot sa ikatlong alarma ang sunog na naapula 1:45 ng hapon. 2 fire volunteers ang nasugatan. Inaalam pa ang pinagmulan ng apoy.